Hi. Today, I'd like to address the most important concern most people have had regarding homeschooling, which is the children missing out on the positive aspects of the traditional schooling, which is the children having the ability to meet their children of their age in school and interacting with them, the extracurricular activities, the sports, and the life skills which they learn when they participate in theater and things like that. So they feel that this is something which they miss out when they're doing homeschooling. Well, not necessarily. So at Wolsey Hall, for example, apart from the academic subjects which they offer, they also have music which is available and art which is available to sign on for as a paid subject. Apart from that, for free, you have access to the entire community. So there are groups which are formed with the children of the studying the same level of subject from across the world. So the vista is really opened up. So my children can really sign up and be part of the WhatsApp group for the children who are studying, say, level 6 across the world, and have discussions with them and share ideas and thoughts with them as to how they are approaching homeschooling. Also, they have clubs which your child can sign up for free. So they have chess, they have animation, and stuff like that. So that is also an option which your child can do. So also, another aspect is that my children, for example, studied in a day boarding concept where they had such long hours that when they came back, they were not really left with time where I could really sign them up for sports or activities around my house. But now, with the flexibility which homeschooling offers me, I can sign them up, post the pandemic, for the sports and the activities like theater or karate and martial arts and stuff like that at the place of their choice. And in fact, where a professional is offering it, and so I can really choose the best. So I feel that it's really about how you plan the schedule for your children and see what is important to them, and you still have the ability to fit everything inside. The weekends can be free, so that is when they can really meet children of their age and interact. They can still meet their friends and cousins. So I feel that this is the best of both worlds.